I put baking soda on my feet, and you'll never believe what happened. Do you want to discover this incredible trick? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly what happens when you try this at home. Before I reveal the secret behind pouring baking soda on your feet, let me share a few other amazing hacks using baking soda that will come in handy for you. 1. If you have dark patches on your skin, baking soda can help. Just mix a little with water and apply it to the affected areas. In a few weeks, you'll notice those dark spots becoming much lighter. 2. Your kitchen board can start looking dull and stained over time. To fix this, sprinkle 1 or 2 tablespoons of baking soda on the board and rub it with a lemon. Let it sit for a few minutes, wash it off, and it'll be as good as new. 3. Got itchy mosquito bites? No problem. Mix some baking soda with water, apply it to the bites, and by the next day, the itching and marks will be completely gone. 4. Baking soda is a fantastic, budget-friendly alternative to store-bought toothpaste. It has powerful cleaning and whitening properties, leaving your teeth feeling fresh and bright. 5. Does your trash can still smell bad even after emptying it? Just sprinkle a tablespoon of baking soda in the bin, and it will completely neutralize the odor and prevent it from coming back. 6. When was the last time you cleaned your mattress? If you don't remember, it's time to use baking soda. It removes dirt, sweat, bacteria, bad smells, and stains. Simply sprinkle it over the mattress with a sieve, leave it for a couple of hours, and vacuum it up. 7. Baking soda can remove dirt and bacteria from your fruits and veggies in record time. Just add a spoonful to the water, and your produce will be clean and fresh. 8. If your refrigerator smells bad, don't worry. Put some baking soda in a small container and leave it in the fridge for 7 days. It will absorb all the odors like magic. 9. Worried about moisture damaging your clothes? Mix baking soda with rice, and it will absorb all the moisture and neutralize any bad smells from your shoes as well. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. Why should you put baking soda on your feet? All you need to do is soak your feet in a bucket of hot water, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and squeeze in some lemon juice. Let them soak for 15 minutes daily. Our feet take on a lot of stress, and over time, they can become rough and cracked. Baking soda is a fantastic softener and relaxant for tired feet. You'll notice how much more relaxed and smooth your feet become. Which of these hacks did you like the most? If you want to know some hidden gem uses of aluminum foil, you can't miss this next video. Click here to watch.